In this video, I will show you how to add images and add comments into your work. So, first thing that you really should do is always make sure that you are logged in with your GoLaSalle account, because you can still add and work in Padlet as an anonymous guest, but then you won't get credit for the things that you are putting into Padlets. So, right now it is blank because I have nothing in here. But when we start adding images to the critique, what you're going to do is you're going to come to this little plus button. Or you can see that it says that you can double click anywhere, drag files in, or paste from a clipboard, and then click to post. So I can so I'm going to click that, and it'll add a little tile to put in. I can give it a title. I can write something about it. Then I can come here and I can upload or link or even take a picture right now. I can filter through the computer and choose a filter. And if I check my desktop, under schools, I already have a picture that I created. And then I can press open and I'll insert that picture. It may take a little while depending on how big of a file that you created. And those of you that are making very big art files, which most of you should be, it should look wonderful and like this. When you click off of it, you can add more ones, or if you click onto the ones that you created, you can see that there is a little edit icon, trash icon, and even more things of how you may want to edit or change stuff. I have a little bit more options than you do since I'm the teacher, but these are some possibilities. Now, after we have uploaded lots of our pictures, when we start critiquing, you all can start adding comments here. And then you paste it, you can see that it shows how many comments are there. And if it's your comment, you can edit and or delete. And it will say, since you've logged in with your GoLaSalle account, your name. Please do that. It's very important so that everyone can see who's commented on their work, as well as I can see who commented. So I can give you a grade for contributing to the class. If you are having difficulty spotting detail or appreciating the full composition of the work, always know that you can click on the image and make it a lot larger. That'll also give you some options of opening it in a new window or seeing the full post along with its title and its information. Clicking anywhere on the desktop will zoom it back out. Please keep in mind that when you're working on this, keep all images and comments appropriate. We're trying to better ourselves and better our art community.